Karl, DKW Engineering. 2 minutes, tell me all about your company.
Okay, Colin, let's go. I'll take you around. So first thing I'll show you, Colin, is around the shop floor. We've got 3 shop floor data capture terminals.
Right.
Okay. These are also on the shop floor PCs, or the supervisors' PCs, and they're a work to list for every machine that we've got. So a very simple work to list. So you pick a machine. For example, you pick the Index C200 behind us, and there's a list of work on that machine.
Right.
And when our scheduled start and end dates are for that.
So every component completely controlled, monitored, you know exactly where it is in stage of production.
Exactly, and it's all in real time because we use data capture. So the guys will scan their barcodes, pump the quantities in, and at any time you can see where you are in your production schedule.
Right, should we go and see where the machines are in their production?
Let's go. So Colin, this is our fixed head turning department.
Okay.
So in this department we've got a mixture of twin spindle, twin turret machines and twin spindle triple turret machines. Yeah, this is an example of a component we manufacture on here. Yeah. This is actually for a very, very high-end soap dispenser.
Oh, right.
And
one that you've got in your bathroom, no doubt, Karl.
I've got it in my bathroom, Colin, yeah. And essentially this is a very deep bore, very deep hole, slots, nice deburred features on the milling,
and it comes off the machine like that, so no.
Comes off complete, no handwork,
okay.
no issues.
Right.
And another component we manufacture on here. This used to be, and that, to give you an idea of how quick this machine is, that component was a previously cast and machined component.
Oh, right.
We were able to secure the work by machining it complete on the Index in a quicker time and a lower overall cost than casting and machining. So
well worth the investment.
Well worth.
Okay, now, next machine. Start
machine. So down
you've got your Nakamura, Miyano.
Nakamura, 2 Miyano BNJ 51SYs. Both of these machines are identical, so workload can be spread evenly across them. We're machining anything from high volume aluminium work on Miyano 1 to lower volume, very high complex mono components. So the stars, Colin, we've got 8 stars. We range up to 32mm diameter, and we've been a big star user now for the last almost 20 years, and are very, very pleased with the machines.
Okay, because one you said it's got V-axis.
Our newest star's got a V-axis. I'll take you over to that now. This is our 20R. You come around, I'll show you. This is our 20R4. And what you can see in here, shortly you'll see the B-axis swing over and drill some angled holes in this component. Deep angled holes. Used to be a multi-operational setup.
So these holes here, they're not straight down?
No, they're angled and they come out through the bore on the inside. What we have down here is another twin pallet mill.
Okay.
This is a Daewoo, so up to 800mm squared, and we can put multiple multi-loaded components on each pallet.
Dugard, 4-axis?
It's got 4th axis on it, Colin, Dugard can go up to 1 metre square.
Oh,
and it's a big mill for us, We have our feeler, which has got a very nice little 3+2 unit on it from Lehman's, so that allows us to do 5-sided work and 5-axis work.
So, very intricate stuff there then.
It is. You can see at the moment, that's the kind of component we're producing on there, and we'll be finishing that off and mold.
Okay, and again, happy doing plastics as well as the metals?
We machine plastics, aluminiums, brasses, stainless, Inconel, ceramics, castings. There's not a lot we can't machine.
And this is your favourite, is it? The Doosan, is that right?
Yeah, so the Doosan is our largest twin pallet mill. HP 5100, and all of our machines are running 18 hours a day, and we're manned 18 hours a day, from 6 in the morning till 12:30 at night. The typical kind of components we're producing on the Doosan are manifold blocks, so high-end, high-integrity stainless steel components for the nuclear industry, tight tolerances, lots of tricky machine features, lots of effort going into deburring the component on the machine. We've got lots of cross holes, bores, and valve and seating faces. So everything in the Randex is this is our bondage store. So all of our raw materials are in here, all of our finished stock is in here. And this is where, for example, customers call off batches of components, and essentially they're pre-packed in their Kanban sizes, and they come straight out of here into dispatch and off to the customer.